Hello, first off, I want to say thank you everyone for supporting me in this channel as we're about to reach 1,000 subscribers, if we haven't already by the time this video goes up. I didn't really expect this channel to take off in any sort of way whatsoever, but I do appreciate all the love and support and following me on this journey together. I'm still trying to think of a giveaway to do for 1K, whether it be like a board or a switch sampler of all the different Franken switches I've made, but I'd love to hear any ideas that you guys have. Put them down below, or you can check out my Discord in the description as well. But onto the video. So I've been challenged to make a bad sound test for the Vega. So I thought, might as well kill two birds with one stone, since some of you guys are also asking what my switch collection is, which you can probably put two and two together with all the switches laid out on my desk, since these are all the switches that I currently own, all 30 of them, which conveniently enough is the amount of switches needed to fill the alphas and mods on my Vega. So I'll do a brief run through of each switch to try to not make this video absurdly long, and if you don't care, you can just skip ahead on the timeline below. But without further ado, I'm going to rapid fire these off and point out anything noticeable with them. And these are also all lubed unless stated otherwise. So in no particular order, we got unlubed Durock Sunflowers, Penyu, Harimaru, Neapolitans, Competto Pies, Zykos, Matcha Lattes, Vint Blacks, unlubed Tungstens, unlubed Giant V5s, GX Stem Swap Lavenders, Gateron Mochi, Oralites, Non-Uwu Huskies, Weird Durock Cream Pacas, Standard BCP, NK Silk Bottom, Giant V5 Stem Milky Top, Giant V5 with Uwu Stem, Con Canny Bottom Halo Clear Stem Boba Top, Marshmallow, Compettos, Unlubed Non-Uwus, Banana Splits, JX Stem Swap Banana Splits, Botanical Cream Pacas, SP Star Meteor Whites that are blue, Zaku, Calpico, Texi Ice Candy, and Silent Alpacas. I would normally like to do a comparison of all these switches, but given that I harvested a vast majority of them, at best I can show like maybe 2 or 3 of any particular switch. So let's hear what this would sound like. You can try to take a guess to see which switches I put in what position. I think that will be interesting. Honestly, this didn't turn out as bad as I thought it would. I don't think really having the Silent Alpaca in the spacebar made any sense, but then again, neither does this whole video, because honestly, it still sounds decent enough to be a coherent build. But let me attempt to list out these switches in the position that they are on the board. So we have the Giant V5, Neapolitan, JX Stem Lavender, Matcha Latte, Gateron Mochi, JX Banana Split, Botanical Cream Paca, Giant V5 with Uwu Stem, Competto, Calpico, Oralites, Con Black Pies, Neapolitans, Penyu, the Unlubed Tungsten, Texi Ice Candy, Banana Split, Durock Sunflower, the Weird Durock Cream Paca, Zykos, the NK Silk Bottom Giant V5 Stem Milky Top, Non-Uwu Huskies, Vint Blacks, Harimaru, normal BCPs, the Unlubed Non-Uwu Cow, Marshmallow, Silent Alpaca, the Zaku, and finally the SP Star Meteor Whites. I guess let me know your thoughts down below on this, and I'll maybe see you in the next one. Thanks. Have a good one. Bye. Man, this is so fucking dumb, but I love it. This absolutely makes no fucking sense. Oh my god. That's great. Okay.